AP, London Shell, a major player in the energy industry, reported on Thursday that the rise in oil and gas prices following Russia's invasion of Ukraine caused its annual profits to more than quadruple to a record high. Shell plc, a London-based company, reported adjusted earnings of $39.9 billion for the final 3 months of the year. A year before, the fourth quarter's adjusted earnings, which don't include one-time events or changes in the value of inventory, increased by 50% to $9.8 billion. The outcomes show Shell's ability to offer crucial energy to our clients in an unpredictable environment, according to a statement from its new CEO Wael Sawan. This is Sawan's first earnings report after taking over as CEO at the beginning of the year to succeed Ben van Beurden, who retired after 9 years on the job. Additionally, Sawan restructured the business's main divisions. 25-year Shell employee Sawan previously served as director of the company's integrated gas, renewables, and energy solutions unit. Despite accusations that it has been tardy to reduce emissions, his appointment was seen as a part of Shell's goal to play what it considers a leading role in the energy transition. The outcomes were truly stunning, according to Russ Mould, investment director at financial services firm AJ Bell, and will do nothing to quieten demands for further windfall taxes to redistribute some of the bounty Shell has enjoyed this year thanks to the Ukraine-inspired disruption to global energy markets. During the summer of last year, natural gas prices in Europe reached record highs, and the price of oil remained over $120 per barrel as a result of Russia's war in Ukraine. Although they have now decreased, the price of natural gas is still 3 times more than it was prior to Russia amassing soldiers on the Ukrainian border. For the year 2022, Shell anticipated paying an additional $2.3 billion in taxes to meet the EU and UK windfall levies. The business reported that it distributed $26 billion in dividends and share repurchases to stockholders last year. Shell's record profits will seem incredibly unfair to the millions of people who are suffering from the effects of the climate crisis or the high cost of energy, according to Alice Harrison of Global Witness, a nonprofit organization that promotes environmental sustainability and corporate responsibility. In a complaint submitted to American officials on Wednesday, Global Witness charged the business with greenwashing. The organization requested that the Securities and Exchange Commission look into any possible securities law violations and investor misinformation by Shell over the size of its renewable energy assets. In order to protest the harm that fossil fuel firms are causing to the environment, Greenpeace activists have taken over a ship in the North Sea that is hauling a Shell oil production platform. Photos published online by Greenpeace this week show 4 demonstrators raising a banner that read "Stop drilling, start paying." Additionally, on Thursday, Norway disclosed its plans to provide Ukraine with additional military and civilian aid paid for by oil and gas earnings. According to Prime Minister Jonas Gahr Støre, the aid package will elevate Norway, which has resisted claims that it has benefited from the conflict, to the status of one of Kiev's major benefactors. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe.